How can you fast forward screen recording on the iPad? So you know that you can start the screen recording from the control center and of course capture everything which is happening on the display. But if you want to fast forward it, what you need to do is to make sure you have everything captured, meaning that the screen recording is finished, right? So you can just have it done and saved in the gallery. Then I recommend you to get a video editor. I like to use CapCut, where I can simply import the clip into a brand new project, the screen recording, and then perform so many different changes. First of all, I can cut out the individual parts where nothing really is happening or nothing interesting is going on. That's very useful. But I can also just click on the clip below, select the speed, and either pick the normal adjustment where I just speed up some parts of the clip linearly, but I can also click on a curve below and set up the custom pattern. So I can choose like from which point the screen recording will fast forward or be, faster like that. And I can end up with the result which I want. So that's how I have been using it in my case. If it worked for you, don't hesitate and subscribe so you will never miss the next tutorials and guides like this one. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you later.